The new Simple Designer 2.6 is your in-house design system. To install your new Coral Trainer and/or Simple Designer, start by going to the Google Drive web address by clicking its link or copy-pasting it into your internet browser. You can find this in multiple locations, including at the top of the PDF install instructions. Once there, you'll find all sorts of cool stuff, but let's focus on installing your awesome new plugins for right now. Be sure to download the proper version of Simple Designer for the version of CorelDRAW already on your computer that you want it to connect to. While there, you may as well download the 2626 workspace too. We'll use that here a little later. Note that your internet browser will likely doubly ask if you want to download our software. Don't worry, it's totally safe. We just haven't bribed the big companies to automatically recognize our stuff, that's all. Close CorelDRAW if it's open. Usually you can just launch our installer from the little arrow upper right of your internet window or from your downloads folder directly. Now Windows will need you to verify that you want to install something new. Click Yes. From our installer, please agree to our agreement, then click Next. There may be a second check from your computer that you want to make changes or install or need to click on more info to run anyway. Once Simple Designer Corel Trainer is done installing, just click Finish and go ahead and open CorelDRAW. You will now be able to find both the Trainer and Designer Dockers at the bottom of your window menu. Let's import that workspace real quick now. Go up to Tools, Options, click on Workspaces. Click the Import button at the bottom and then browse to where your downloads go. Remember that 2626 workspace? Yep, that's what we're looking for. After you choose it, you'll need to name it. Then click OK at the bottom. Wait a minute or so as the screen flashes, darkens up, and borders turn blue. Hit OK again at the bottom of that workspace's screen. Almost done. From the new Trainer Docker on the right, you'll just need to log in. Use the same exact email address that you used when you first signed up with us. As it's the first time, you'll probably need to set a new password by clicking the Forgot Password button. Attention! You've got to remember to hit the Remember Me button too, or you'll have to log in again next time. Once logged in, click on one of the videos to see if it loads properly. Then click the big arrow at the top to launch that video in your internet browser. You will likely need to log in there too. Don't worry, once you've logged in both from inside Corel and in your default internet browser, that's the ones that just launched, and you remembered to click Remember Me on both, your system should keep you logged in automatically. Next is just the Simple Designer. From its Docker, you'll need to go down to the Settings button and put in your SD license key from that first email that you got from us. Copy-paste works great. You'll see your status changed to Active. The last thing you'll do is click the Update Library button. This is going to download thousands of graphics, images, proposals, products, etc. So it'll probably take at least half an hour, possibly like 90 minutes. While it's downloading everything, we recommend that you watch the How to Use videos from our website. They are at the top of the Essentials section, or you can just click on My Account to see them. These are a great way to remind yourself about all the awesomeness that you got from us. Once Designer has downloaded all of the updated content, you're done and ready to go. We also recommend power cycling the computer. Closing all programs, then manually restarting or shutting down will help everything stick where it's supposed to be. Enjoy your amazing new simple way to design and learn graphics for the imprint industry. As a member, you can always reach out to us. The best way is to support at coreltrainer.com. We'll see you in class.